Alright, here's the BOXO tool bag that I keep in the Nuke van. This is a special King of the Hammers edition. Oop, zips over here. So you see it's all nice tidy rolls. Each little compartment is removable. They're all velcroed in. This front one's got a ball peen hammer, dead blow hammer, and a collapsible pry bar. And then the second one, this one has all your pliers in it. It's got needle nose pliers, lineman's pliers, vice grips, channel locks, pair of scissors, nice pair of dikes. Then you got the main tool roll here with these nice little straps on it. And this has all the goodies in it. You got your 3/8 drive ratchet, got a special hose clamp driver specifically for hose clamps, so it's got the 5/16 on it. You got all your open ends. It's all metric, so you can just figure out what works for metric and SAE. You got the 1/2 inch drive ratchet, tire gauge, valve core tool for your tires. You got your Torx set up here, all from T15 all the way to T50. Nice tight fit for everything. You got an adjustable wrench here, and then here you've got all the sockets. Just a small assortment, but you can add anything you want to it. And then it's got the most used impacts. You got the 17, the 21, and then this little 16 is supposed to go here. It fell off. And then over here, these all remove. And then this one definitely come in handy when you're on the trail. It's a tire repair kit. It's got a little box knife there for you. Then these have a Velcro that just fits right up in here. And then this is just an extra one. And then this one here for any electrical stuff you have. These pieces don't come with it, but I added them in there. It's just extra wire, extra connectors, but it comes with tape, comes with pliers, comes with a test light, and it comes with a nice small pair of dikes for cutting. But that's it. That's what I keep in the Nuke van, and you can go on to BOXO's website and pick one up.